Hey guys, I'm so nervous and excited to start this channel. So I'll start by saying welcome. I'll use this episode to introduce myself. My name is Solomon Adabi, also known as Solomon the Artist. And today I'll give you insight into, how and why Solomon the Artist came into being, my journey so far, and why I'm doing this. So I guess the story really begins when I was 15 years old. That's when I really started to hone in my skills as an artist together. And I remember going to see different art exhibitions, seeing works from people like Chuck Close and his amazing portraiture, and Kelvin Okafor, who really inspired me to become who I am today. His works were these sublime photorealistic portraits of people. And I looked at it, and something important about me is that when I saw them, I saw something so amazing and awe-inspiring. But I thought to myself, I can do this if I put in my time and effort into it. And that's precisely what I did. So I spent my summer holiday just learning how to draw these types of portraits. I remember watching so many YouTube videos, reading books, watching tutorials on how to draw portraits properly, videos of how the light works, how to draw skin realistically, how to draw hair, eyes, and all those kinds of things. And it really sunk in, and with time, patience, determination, by the end of my summer holiday I was really good at it. And I tell this story because I think it's important that people understand that you don't necessarily need to be born talented as an artist, or you need to be born knowing how to draw. No one starts off like that. You pick up these skills as you grow up. And what's most important is the core skills and values that you learn, like determination, discipline, patience, and all those other kinds of stuff that builds you as a person and as an artist. I remember telling this story a lot of times, which is when I used to teach workshops for people how to draw. And there was this little girl that came up to me one day and she said, I can't draw and I wish I knew how to draw. And I really saw in her eyes that she really wanted to learn. And so I said, you know what, sit down here and just give us like 20 minutes and we'll see if we can change that. And by the end of that 20 minutes, she was able to draw these like wonderful drawings of eyes, because I was teaching people how to draw eyes at that point in time. And she was able to, draw it really well, better than most other people that came there. And so what I learned from that is that, it's not something that you are born knowing how to do. Technique, I can teach you anytime. But if you're willing to learn and you have the patience and the time, then what you can do is really boundless. So that's why I'm here, really. If you're one of those people that have said to themselves, I don't know how to draw, or I wish I knew how to draw, or if you're looking for a new skill to pick up, if you're bored and you have nothing else to do, well, you're in the right place, because through this journey, through this YouTube channel, I'm gonna learn and you're gonna learn, and we're gonna learn together how to be artists and how to create, how to love what you create, and how to find peace of mind when drawing. I want to motivate you, I want to inspire you, and I want to make you fall in love with art. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for listening.
Oh, I saw her and she hit me like that. Saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my heart. Oh, full force and she got me like I be like